Maybe you don't have time to go to the store before your flight, or you scored a last-minute deal and need to get packing for a trip next weekend. Hey, I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. In this video, we're covering travel gear we love that's also available on Amazon. We're here to help cut through the thousands, if not millions of options to find the best ones for you. Thanks to Factor for sponsoring this first video. Keep watching so you can learn how to save on your first order. Let's dive in. Man, I love this bag. Such a great bag. When you type in travel backpack into Amazon's search engine, it returns nearly 20 pages of results. That doesn't mean they're all winners though. Far from it actually. The Peak Design Travel Backpack is one of the highest rated packs that we've tested to date, and that's due to its well thought out design. The densely padded straps are mounted on rivets at the top of the pack and move freely without pinching your upper back. Plus there's a sternum strap and optional hip belt to help carry the load. It comes in 30 and 45 liter sizes, though we like the smaller model because it's big enough for most trips and it's comfortable to carry. It has a 27 liter base capacity that expands to 33 liters using a compression zipper when you need extra room. Our Pack Hacker Pro members had fun debating the merits of naming the larger travel pack for its max capacity while naming this one's for its average volume. Maybe Peak Design likes round numbers. Regardless, it's easy to pack. The clamshell opening lies flat so you can load the bucket-like main compartment. Fill the mesh pockets with items you don't need until your destination, then stack several packing cubes on top. There's also a front pocket designed for small gear like dongles and memory cards, a laptop sleeve that can fit up to a 16-inch device, and a luggage pass-through. For a more detailed walkthrough, check out the full review over on our website. When you're on the road to minimalist travel, start with your wallet. If you prefer something sturdy, the Trayvax Original 2.0 delivers on that. The unique combination of paracord and metal plates keeps your card secure until it's time to pay for a croissant and coffee in Paris. Adjust the cord through the plates to expand the wallet and hold as many cards as you need. Plus, it won't stretch out over time like leather or other material like elastic. A cutout on the front plate makes it simple to thumb through the card that you want, and the cord slips over a hook at the end to hold them in place afterward. Thanks to the money clip on the back, you don't need to cut cash from your carry. Although it doesn't hold a lot of folded currency, it can fit enough to get you through the day's trips to the local food truck. Plus, it doubles as a bottle opener when you want to crack open a cold one. I think I'll crack one open after work because it's 9 a.m. right now. When you want something healthier than food truck fare, check out this video's sponsor, Factor. They make it easy to enjoy a clean, nutritious meal in less time than it takes for delivery or drive-thru. The last thing we want to do after a long flight arriving home is to stop at the store and restock the fridge to cook a fresh meal. Instead of getting takeout pizza, Factor helps you eat a balanced meal after you return home. They're delivered ready to eat right to your door and can be on the table in 2 minutes. Plus they're fresh, never frozen, and they taste delicious too. We tried the peanut Buddha bowl and the sauce was just so good, it took it to another level. There are dozens of options to choose from, each prepared by chefs who have your nutrition in mind. You can also order smoothies or snacks or something easy to grab as you head out for your next trip. Factor's flexibility means you can easily skip a week or adjust the size of your order if you'll be halfway around the globe or have family members visiting from out of town too. Head to factor75.com or click the link down below and use code PACKHACKER50 to get 50% off your first Factor box. Now let's get back to some more gear. Whether you want to stream videos or get a group pic, the JOBY micro stand gets the job done. This miniature tripod is so small and it is a no-brainer to keep in your travel kit. In fact, Pack Hacker staff writer Eric brings this thing just about everywhere he goes. The phone grip props up your device so you can stream your current favorite show on the plane or FaceTime your family while you decompress after a day of exploring. Plus, it's great for getting long exposure photos or time lapses to share with friends. And it's not just for phones either. While it'll help you steady your phone for a shot, the bottom half also works as a mini tripod for your point and shoot camera. It can be a little wobbly on mounts that are not centered, though it's easy to fix by ensuring the camera runs parallel to one of the stand's legs. After you get the perfect shot, pop it into your sling or pocket until the next photo op comes along. It's nice to bring your own soap bar when traveling since the hotel or Airbnb might not have what you prefer. And it's definitely a must if you're going backcountry camping. Leave bulky and rigid cases behind and bring the Matador FlatPak instead. The dry-through technology of the Cordura nylon fabric allows moisture to evaporate without soaking through the outside of the case, so you won't have to worry about it dampening your other toiletries at the same time. And your soap won't be soggy or slimy when you go to use it the next day. It's easy to use. Just slide in your bar, roll the top, and buckle it closed. As you use it up, it automatically takes up less space in your toiletry bag too, which is a great plus for packing. We found that the waxy interior can hang on to some soapy residue, though we found that only comes into play if you switch from one strong scent to another. So rinse it out if you're swapping peppermint soap for lavender. And if you like hotel soap, you can use this case to bring it home and be reminded of your vacation the next time you shower. To organize or not organize? That's the question. I mean, if you're watching this video to this far, it's most certainly organize, right? Some toiletry bags are wide open spaces, while others have slots for every last bottle. The Bellroy Dopp Kit strikes a great balance, giving you just enough organization without going overboard. It includes mesh pockets to hold a few bottles and small accessories like a case for your contact lenses. It also has a unique magnetic sleeve to snap away your toothbrush and toothpaste. Since the remaining space is open, you don't have to worry about where to slot in your oddly shaped gear. Like most Bellroy products, the kit looks sleek, and the polyester and nylon materials are water resistant in case of spills. Leather accents tanned under leatherworking group environmental protocols add to the style, though they might not be your thing if you like to avoid animal products. If you need to carry more than what fits in your pocket, then check out this next bag. The Heimplanet Transit Line Sling Pocket has excellent organization and is comfortable to carry wherever you end up going. This 1-liter sling is a great size to carry your daily essentials or the tech and entertainment you need on the plane. An external pocket is a good size for your phone or sunglasses, and inside are 4 stretchy mesh pockets, plus a zipper pocket towards the rear for flatter gear. You'll have no problem packing wireless earbuds, a battery bank, a small cord, a minimalist wallet, and any other travel essentials you need. It's all wrapped up in a nylon and polypropylene Dico shell, dope dyed for sustainability. While the sling can get a little unbalanced, it's easy enough to fix by adjusting the strap or swapping the carry from front to back. We think this is a pack hacker pick you'll be happy to add to your Amazon cart. Maybe you have finally run out of toothpaste samples from your dentist. Or maybe you prefer to use your own favorite toothpaste brand. Whatever the reason, another product available on Amazon that we really dig is the Aurelle tube brush. It's a refillable toothpaste tube and toothbrush in one package. Instead of packing 2 pieces of gear, the paste slides into the handle of the brush to create 1 tube for your toiletry bag. Connect your favorite paste to the bottom of the refillable container and squeeze to fill it. While you might think this tube seems small, we've had a little bit left inside after 28 uses. You can get a more compact travel toothbrush elsewhere, though you'd still have to pack your paste or toothpaste tabs separately. Combining them takes up the same amount of space, and it's easier to find in your kit when scrounging around in a dark hotel room to avoid disturbing your sleeping travel mates. Packing cubes come in all shapes and sizes. The Osprey Ultralight packing cube set is great if you want basic organization inside of your bag. These cubes are light, durable, and easy on the wallet. You can squeeze in a ton of clothing, and the YKK zippers are sturdy enough to make it around the corners when you overpack. The set comes in 3 sizes, so you'll have a nice range to pack up for your trip. We think the small is perfect for socks and underwear. The medium works well for shirts, and the large can hold bulkier gear like hoodies and pants. Although the silicone-coated ripstop nylon can be slippery, you can grab the one you need from your bag using the carry handle. We dig the bright neon colorway because it sticks out from a dark interior of our pack, though the cubes come in black as well if you prefer monochrome travel gear, like I do. Personally, I love monochrome. From clipping a water bottle outside of your backpack to organizing gear inside of your bag, there are plenty of reasons to reach for a carabiner. When you opt for the S-Beaner SlideLock from Nite, you can also lock it into place. While a standard carabiner is shaped more like a hook, the S-Beaner is shaped like an S to give you 2 separate clip areas. Each clip locks when you slide a hard plastic tab to the top, so you don't have to worry about your hat falling off of your bag throughout the day. The S-Beaner comes in 3 sizes and plenty of different colors to show off your style or complement the color of your travel backpack. Choose from lightweight aluminum or durable steel depending on your needs. At the time of this video, you can order the medium and large sizes solo or pick up a variety pack to get all 3. This is one of the most durable and lightweight combs that we've encountered in years of testing travel gear. The Chicago comb model number 2 weighs just 1/4 of an ounce, so it's a great addition to your packing list. So light. I really love this thing. I use it all the time. on every single trip. It's made with carbon fiber, which is the same material used in aircraft and fast cars. This means that it cuts 2/3 of the weight from a typical travel comb and is stronger than plastic and aluminum typically used in other grooming supplies. Stick this in your Dopp Kit without worrying about the teeth snapping off en route to your destination. While it may take a little time to get used to doing your hair while holding the small loop handle, it comes in larger sizes if you have extra space in your bag. We dig the compact design and durability so much that it's a go-to for our digital nomad packing list, and it's also a pack hacker pick too. So there you have it, some great travel gear that you can get delivered by Amazon. Comment down below with some of your favorite travel products you've got online, because remember, some of the best recommendations come from you, the pack hacker community, right here on YouTube. Thanks for being here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.